Welcome to our channel. Listen, speak and learn English.
I have planned a great tour for you.
Thank you, Lenka. I can't wait. Where are we starting from?
Near this place is the best college in this city, from where I completed my MBA.
Oh, that sounds interesting. It must hold a lot of memories for you.
Yes, it does. Feels amazing to be back after so long. I spent some of the best years of my life here. Come inside, I will show you more.
This place looks fantastic. You must have so many unforgettable moments here.
Oh, absolutely. Let me take you to the library first. I spent countless hours studying there.
Wow, it's massive. Did you genuinely enjoy studying here, or was it all last-minute exam prep?
A mix of both. But during exams, this place felt like my second home.
I can totally see that. What's next on the tour?
The cafeteria, that's where all the fun used to happen.
Now that sounds exciting. Lead the way. Wow, the Cafe Americano was so good. I've never had one like this before.
Yeah, I used to come here almost every day when I was in college.
I can see why. This place is amazing.
Now let's go. I'll show you another great place. This is the city park. It's one of the most famous parks in our city.
It's so peaceful here. I love the fresh air.
I love coming here when I need to clear my mind. The view is amazing, especially in the evening.
Oh, what's special about the evening?
The sunset here is breathtaking. The whole sky lights up in shades of gold and pink.
That sounds beautiful. We should stay and watch it.
I'd love that. Look, the sun is starting to set. The sky is turning orange.
Wow, it's even more beautiful than I imagined. The colors keep changing. Now there's pink and purple blending in.
That's why I love this place in the evening. Every sunset feels different, like a painting in the sky.
It feels so peaceful. The cool breeze, the quiet, it's perfect.
Yeah, watching the sunset makes me feel grateful for little moments like this.
I agree. Sometimes we forget to enjoy simple things like this.
Right. No matter what happens, the sun will rise again.
That's a nice thought. I'll remember this moment. Thank you, Lenka, for exploring your city with me.
You're welcome. I'm glad you enjoyed it.
I really did. Your city is amazing.
I'm happy to hear that.
We're here, Lenka. I hope you had a good time.
I did. Thanks for dropping me home.
Anytime. Take care and have a good night.
You too, Ryan. See you soon.
Hello, friends. I hope you all are doing great. Are you enjoying it? Let me know in the comments. Now, let's get to the topic. Lenka planned a wonderful tour for Ryan, and they spent a lot of time together. I hope their bond is just friendship and nothing more. But to find out, you'll have to watch the upcoming videos. This journey is only getting more exciting and unpredictable. Don't miss out on what happens next. So, stay tuned because twists and turns are waiting for you. And don't forget to support us by liking, sharing, and subscribing. Bye-bye. See you in the next episode.